A fresh political storm is brewing in the capital, and this time it revolves around an unexpected figure, the husband of Delhi's newly appointed Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. What sparked the controversy? Aam Aadmi Party leader and leader of opposition in the Delhi Assembly, Atishi, raised eyebrows on Saturday by sharing a photo on X. The image allegedly shows Rekha Gupta's husband chairing an official meeting with senior officers from MCD, DJB, PWD and DUSIB, key administrative bodies in Delhi. Earlier, we used to hear that in villages, when a woman sarpanch was elected, her husband did all the work. But this is perhaps the first time in Indian history that a woman CM's husband is running the government, Atishi claimed. She further linked the alleged interference to recent civic issues like frequent power cuts and rising private school fees, questioning whether decisions are being made by someone not officially elected to govern. BJP fires back, support is not a crime. The Bharatiya Janata Party quickly dismissed Atishi's remark as insulting and sexist. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva defended CM Rekha Gupta, praising her for rising through the political ranks from DUSU secretary to Delhi CM, and slammed Atishi for what he called an attack on a fellow woman leader. Her husband supporting her is neither illegal nor unethical, Sachdeva said. He also reminded AAP of instances where their own leaders' spouses played visible roles, notably Sunita Kejriwal, wife of former CM Arvind Kejriwal, who addressed the public from the CM's office after his arrest. Was that not an insult to democracy, he asked? So what's the real concern here? While BJP calls it harmless spousal support, AAP says it's a matter of democratic accountability. The concern isn't merely personal involvement, it's whether someone not constitutionally responsible or elected is making executive decisions on Delhi's governance. The incident also raises broader questions about transparency, use of official spaces, and the thin line between moral support and political overreach. Public or private, where should the line be drawn? As the blame game intensifies, Delhiites are left wondering who is truly steering the city's decisions. Are political spouses crossing into administrative territory? And how much behind the scenes influence is too much? This ongoing controversy is likely to stay in the spotlight, especially as Delhi heads deeper into civic challenges and pre-election politics.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.